Hola, bueno. Este es Aron con AnaComputers.com with another video for you today. This one I filed under software problems. This deals with a video game. Age of Empires 3 PC, fixed computer level stuck at 0. On Age of Empires 3, a computer level in multiplayer is stuck at 0, and how do you fix this, you ask? Please verify what version of that game you are running by clicking on a Help and Tools button from main game menu and then an About button. That game version will be listed at top of that screen. You can then download and install patch 1.14 from this Age of Empires 3 game updates page. If that patch doesn't resolve this issue, you can try to run that game in Windows compatibility mode. Not all programs are supported and run correctly on Windows 7. Running it in Vista compatibility mode might fix your problem. You can check out how to run programs in compatibility mode on Windows 7. You will need to find what that Age of Empires 3.exe executable file is to configure it to run in a different mode. I would try running it in Windows Vista Service Pack 2 to test and work your way back to see if it fixes your problem. So in order to run it in compatibility mode, you have to know the exact executable. So you have to search your hard drive and find that .exe executable, and then you right click it and then go through the process, and I'll get to that. So here is ensemblestudios.com. This is where you can download that patch. This is in different languages: English, Español, me hablo español muy poquito, Korean, Russian, French, Portuguese, Chinese, Italian, Polish, Czech, Dutch, Japanese, Hungarian. So here's the patch in English right here. All you have to do is download this patch 1.14 and install it. Hopefully that solves your problem. If not, I'm not going to go over this in entirety. And then I will include a link in this video description on YouTube to my blog post on ANAComputers.com so that you can read it on your own time, and then you can access these two web links, especially this one. Well, I should say both. Hopefully your issue gets solved by installing that patch. If not, Windows 7 compatibility mode, it shows you how to run it, how to run a program in compatibility mode in Windows 7. It has pictures. There's option number 1 to set compatibility mode of application and properties page. It has detailed instructions. There's an option 2. Option 2, set compatibility mode of application using troubleshoot compatibility. That's a little bit different process, but there's instructions with photos, self-explanatory, excellent instructions. That's why I picked this website and this particular web page. Option 3, to set compatibility mode of application in registry editor. I wouldn't recommend option 3 unless you aren't able to get Age of Empires 3 PC working successfully using the first two options, because if you've never edited the registry, you could cause problems in your computer. So I would say if you can't get the first two options to work, then resort to option 3. Hopefully this information was productive and helps you get Age of Empires 3 PC version game working. You can always browse to ANAComputers.com for other possible potential information, tips, tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Adios. Thank you for listening.